Okay, why am I standing here in the snow with a shovel in my hand when I'm doing a review on the Caribbean cruises? Sounds stupid. Anyway, I'll tell you why. It's because this is a review on the Carnival Pride and her sister ships, the Spirit class. Okay, I'm going to show you all about them. It's 5 reasons I love that class of ship. Haven't been on them all, only been on 2 of them, so that's 50%. I'm halfway there. Have a look, see what you think of the video, and you know what I'm going to do with the shovel? Throw it away and go south. Okay, let's have a look at the Spirit class Carnival ships. They're beautiful boats, great size. Here you're looking at the theaters in the bow of the boat up the front, and here's where you'll find the big shows, production shows, bingo, Hasbro shows, all that sort of thing. And coming up here, we're going to have a look now where you're going to see where the comedies shows up here. The Punchline Comedy Club. Butterflies Lounge on the Pride, and I can't remember them, sorry. But anyway, let's have a look at my number one pick for this is the Serenity Deck. That's the adult area only. On these particular ships, it's at the back end, on the stern of the ship. And here there's a pool, hot tub, hammocks, swings, big covered area, lounge beds, bar, towels, 2 washrooms, and there's a big awning here, which you'll see right over the bar, and great views out the back end. Look at that, eh? How can you top that? There's the slide. Yeah, you can look down over top of it, and again you'll see that awning underneath the slide there. Great place to have your breakfast. I just love that. There's those covered lawn beds again. There we are again, the pool, the hot tub, and it's not crowded. It's quiet back there. You can read a book. No kids running around. Sorry, kids. But this is a really nice way to spend some of your day. You don't have to spend all day here, but you can spend a part of it here. Great lounge beds there. You'll find that they have a nice cushion on them, not like the ones in the front of the front end. And they got a towel bar there too. You just get your towels there. They're a different towel than you find at the front. Number 2. Let's have a look at number 2 reason. The 4K room. It's an interior room with. Now it has a window, not the doors. They've changed things around. I guess it's a little cheaper when they fix things up to put fixed windows in rather than a door that opens that doesn't go anywhere. They're a great sized room. You're going to find you got 3 closets, 2 beds that can go into a king, and look at the size, 185 square feet. That's a good size cruise cabin. Now here you go. There's a new updated picture of it. You'll see that it doesn't have the French doors. There's 2 windows fixed in place there, and there they are there, the green section, the green squares there. You see the lifeboats. You want to pick a room out there. Try to book that room early, because you want to get a room that is between the lifeboats. You see that white square right there? Don't worry about that, but you will. That's where you're going to get a bit of view. If you're right in the middle of a lifeboat, you're not going to see much. Now here's what I do like too. This is a bonus feature that I love, the Lido Deck. There's 3 swimming pools, tons of hot tubs, plus there is a spa in the front of the boat inside of where the gym is. Here you'll see this is where the Lido stage, retractable roof. When the weather's not good, that roof closes in, that middle pool's covered up. You'd be protected from the elements. You got things there like chess. There's the theater. Nighttime you'll see your movie theater here, and you sit on the chair out in the open. The dive-in movie, they call it, take on the drive-in movie. Number 3, I love this. You can go from bow to stern, right from the front of the boat to the back of the boat, same floor. You don't have to go up, down, up, all that kind of stuff, because the dining rooms are at the back. And I like it there, because you don't have, when they're in the middle, you have to go somewhere else to get to the front. There's that theater in the front end of the boat, up in the bow. They are nicely laid out. They're and this here, deck 3 is where you'll find the shops, and the atrium entertainment is on deck 2. Deck 3, number 4. It's a perfect size for a cruise ship. It's not too big, not too small. There's your dimensions. There's like 106 feet wide that can go through the Panama Canal. Number 5 is the food. We all like to eat, don't we? Look at this. Spirit class ships are the only Carnival ships that have that glass roof above the atrium and in front of the funnel. You can always tell a Spirit class because it has that glass sim solarium thing at the top. Guy's Burger Joint. Everybody loves a good hamburger. There you go. Guy's Burgers. Look at that. Look at the selection. Not only that, if you want more on it, there's more to choose from. You can put your own stuff on besides all that. And the buffet. Everybody loves the buffet, right? Breakfast, lunch, even some dinners. Ice cream. Soft serve ice cream. I find on the Spirit class, there's like in the Lido area, there's like 4 ice cream machines. And there's soft serve, there's vanilla chocolate. Coffee bar. Okay, let's go on the coffee bar. Let's look at this. Never ate there, but hey, the stuff looks really good. You like to drink, you like to have some fun, some entertainment in the evenings. Here's Frankenstein. And you know what? You can't go wrong in these boats. And look at this. Everybody, not me, but a lot of people do like chocolate melting cake. 620 plus calories. So if you want a good time, you want a relaxing trip, not too big of a ship, Carnival Pride, Carnival Miracle, Carnival Legend, Carnival Spirit. So there we go. I hope you enjoyed this. And hit the thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe. You can get some more great videos.